Welcome to Dr. Mary Travel Best's special Rewind Travel Edition. In this episode, the FAQ is, what have you cleaned now for the first time? The destination is a special rewind travel of yours from 2015. The mistake is not writing a certain book, and the tip is to rewind your travel photos. So the FAQ, let's get started. What have you cleaned now that you've never cleaned before the virus? For example, your passport. Well, the answer on our private Dr. Mary Travel Best Facebook group, members responded with creative and thoughtful answers. Thank you. So here's what you said. My key fob, my purse, my market bag, all groceries, my workout gloves, my ATM card, my credit card, my gym bag, and now I'm waiting for the gym to open, my iPad, my desktop keyboard, and even the bottom of my shoes was discussed. So if you're not a member of our group yet, please join the conversation. It's open by approval only. If you're listening now, say so, and you'll be approved. So today's independent special rewind travel, let's rewind that travel. Rascal Flatts, his song lyrics say, wish I could reach up and reset that sun. Reverse these wheels, go back and repick you up. Went by so fast, oh so sweet. Make me wanna remake a memory. Wish I had a time machine. Let's dig back to 5 years ago and think about what we did for travel. The year was 2015. The trips you took were, what? You can't remember where you went then? Okay, well, here's where I can help you with that memory. So think about nothing, really, just clear your mind first. That will happen if you just close your eyes. Don't close them if you're driving or walking around. Just try to relax and imagine what you were doing in 2015. That's good. That's good. For me, I was teaching classes for National University, consulting with Sun Marketing, and volunteering with the American Marketing Association and others. I need to rewind what was important to me that year so I can figure out where I went and what my best and worst experiences are. I want to rewind because during this pandemic, it's an opportunity for us to take a breath, to think about our past and direct toward the future. So in 2015, I was doing research for journal publications on Facebook and best practices for marketing programs. I traveled to Sapporo, Japan in order to present such research. And yes, I went to see where they make the beer and to the Olympics ski jumps. While there, I also visited Tokyo, and they were preparing for the 2020 Olympics by building islands. I also saw Osaka and spent a very solemn day by myself in Hiroshima. That year, I also took a trip to Boston for a week, seeing my daughter in her last year of college, and had several other small trips in the California area. If you're thinking about rewinding your travel, you may want to search your photos by year and relive that trip and the people you remember so well. That's what I just did. I looked in my files to see the photos to help me rewind. I found some photos that were worth saving, friends, family, etc. Maybe your travel rewind will help you better cherish the travel memories and inspire you to want to go and even revisit some favorites again, but see with a new, fresh set of eyes and listen with your ears. Okay, now today's mistake. My unwritten book on travel with kids. Not publishing my book on travel with children while I had young ones was one of my mistakes. Well, plenty of other people have done it in the meantime, including the New York Times. So for many years, I collected content and ideas on travel with children, but never did put it together. I made a mistake. And if you had young children and wished to have that advice, I failed you. I just did not have the time, and nor I didn't make the time available. So someone else is writing that now for the future, I hope. Today's travel advice, We'll stick with that rewind theme. Rewind your travel photos. So take a few from each month and make a collage or PowerPoint. Send your collage to a friend or a travel companion and see if they enjoy your creation. You don't need any special tools, and you can do this from your phone, tablet, or desktop computer, and you can use free open source software or social media. So it's really easy to do, and you'll make somebody's day. I want to bring meaning to your travel. So send me your travel tip. You can send it to my Facebook page, group, or Instagram. You can send it to my Twitter blog. Maybe you'll even see your tips in my next travel book on independent destinations. What's on your bucket list? Dr. Travel Best wants to connect.